What's up, guys? DJ Spida here. Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to take a look at the website that I actually got my skin from to customize my controller. You could apply these skins to anything, man. You could apply it to your turntables, your beat machines, your laptop, anything you want to apply these skins for, you can. Only thing you need is the layout of your controller, turntable, beat machine, whatever it is. One of the best ways you can do that is contact the company, get the exact layout and mapping of that controller or beat machine, whatever it is, and send it into the company with your logo or whatever it is that you want to apply to whatever it is you want. And today I am going to show you exactly how to get that done on the website itself, so I can make it easier for you guys. All right, so without further ado, let's get it in. Peace. Alright guys, this is the website right here. It's called styleflip.com. Customize and protect your investments, guys, please. And it is probably the best way you can go, especially for guys that are mobile DJs that, you know, your equipment is out there all the time. But you can literally just protect it from scratches if you just want to put back on the same exact color, or do what I did in the video, how to customize your controller and turntables, give it your own look, which I think is good. You can do it with your turntables, your cases. You can pretty much get anything that you want done, as long as you have the measurements and layout for your equipment. And all you have to do is send it into them and they will print it out for you. All right, now if you already have your controller, and you can always go to the top right here and you can type in DDJ-RZX and do the search, and it should pop up. This is my controller right here. See, it gives you a starting price at $9.95. Pioneer custom skins. All right, so you come down here and you have two different kinds. This is for the jog wheels. You can see it's $9.95 for just the jog wheels, and to get the full wrap it's $84. So right now they are having a sale. Holiday sale starts now, 15% off all custom skins. I think this ends on January 8th, 2018. So you have up until then. All right, so by default, you're gonna have everything. This is how it's gonna look when you come on the website. First thing you're gonna want to do is you want to, if you have images or pictures already that you want to customize your controller or turntable or whatever it is you want to do your customization with, you go right here, upload images, upload your images. You click on add an image, it populates in here. All right, you upload it to the site, it populates here, then you drag it over onto the platter or the turn. Okay, let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. File, go to browse. As you can see, Mature Vibes, DJ Spida. That's the name of the group I DJ with. Let's go. Let's go here. Click upload. There we go. So let's say I wanted to put this on my jog wheel. I'll put it over my jog wheel. Center it. Make sure it's what I want it, the size I want it to be. Zoom in a little bit so I can get the measurements and everything right, so it will look properly. All right, zoom in. sure they're centered properly. So you don't want it to look messy at all. All right. Let's see, this one's a little bit off. All right, there you go, perfect. That's how it would look. All right. Okay, so let's say you wanted to add a background. You go back, add image. Let's see here. For the sake, let's add this one. Actually, yeah, let's add this one just as an example. And you could zoom across, make sure you zoom back out so you can get the sides. Pull this over here. Okay. So you scale it down. Move it into place. So make sure you get all of the corners covered. Because when it prints, it's going to print exactly as you have it. So you have to make sure that you have everything covered. All right, there you go. That's exactly how you want it to look. All right. Now you can have that. You can go to your layer manager and you can move this, move that down. There you go. So now the one full of the platter shows, and this is just an example. So whatever you do for the one side, you have to do for the other, right? So you're going to add another image. Oh, actually go to image and you're going to click on it. It's going to pop up and you're going to move it over. And you're going to do this exact same thing on the other side. Like so. Like I said before, make sure that it's centered so it wouldn't look sloppy. All right. And this is just an example. If you look at the video that I made before, like I said, the link will be in the description. You will see exactly how I did mine. This one is done a little bit different. Not a little bit different, it's a lot different than the pictures that I had up. But this is exactly how it will be done. Just make sure that you have all your corners covered. Make sure all your stuff is symmetrical and it doesn't look sloppy. It is very easy. You can also do a little bit more customization if you want to. You can actually turn on knob controls for text, right? So turn that on and you can literally change the color. You can put it to blue and you see all of the controller, the picture, the knob controls, everything is in a different color. All the text is in a different color. You can change it to whatever color you want. If you have a custom color you want to put it in, you can put that in also. You will actually just type it in right here. Just type it in right there, or you can just click here and use the color grid, right? You can use this one, color spectrum, and do a custom color, and it's changing right on the screen as you can see. So you can definitely make it whatever you want. The site is awesome. They have some of the best customer service that I've come across when dealing with this kind of stuff. I mean, which you really need, because you know sometimes things change, so you can call them, and if it hasn't been printed and shipped already, they'll work with you and try to get it done the way you want it done. Let's see here. I think that's about it. I don't think there's anything else that I need to add to this video for you guys. You guys are very smart. So yeah, that's it. So you can also check out the sale that's going on. It's 15% off all custom skins, limited time only. And like I said before, that is up until January 8th of 2018, I believe, midnight. That's Eastern Standard Time, United States. All right, guys, so that's it then. I just want to give a big shout out to Style Flip. Guys are awesome in helping me when I thought that my colors were all messed up and stuff like that. They do have great customer service. I would say hop all over this, man. This is probably one of the best ways for a mobile DJ to stand out from everybody else. I see a lot of guys out there with their controllers looking all bland straight from the factory. And you know, it just, if you're a mobile DJ out there, you need to stand out because there are so many DJs out there. So you guys need to customize your stuff, make it yours, make your stuff stand out. And it's also good for when, like I said, if you're out there partying and you're in a set with like 5 or 6 different DJs and there's a bunch of people walking around backstage or whatever the case may be, wherever you're DJing, you don't want nobody picking up your stuff and walking out. You know what I mean? So, you know, it's good to have your stuff customized, marked, so they know it's yours. And if you're new around here and you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that like or dislike if you don't like it or whatever. Leave a comment in the channel. I try to answer all of my comments or reply to all my comments. All right. So I will see you guys in the next video. This is DJ Spida signing out, and I'll talk to you guys later, man. Peace.